I've been getting a lot of comments on my random antenna videos where I use my KX2 about this VFO knob. Let me show you how you can get it for yourself from my buddy Mike KE8PTX over on Printables. This is the best VFO knob that I found for the KX2 coming up. Alright guys, got a quick video for you today. VFO knob for your KX2. This is probably going to be the last VFO knob that you ever use for your KX2. No lie. This was designed and printed by my buddy Mike KE8PTX. Link to his printables in the description below so you can download this STL file, print it yourself. He also has a lot of other cool stuff on his printables designed around the KX2, antenna mounts, knee boards, things like that. Go check them out on Printables. Links in the description below. Back to this VFO knob. Man, it's buttery smooth. It has this little finger dish on the side of it that your finger just kind of locks into. So when you spin the VFO, your finger doesn't go flying off of it like the stock KX2 VFO, which is really cool. But on the side, it's, what would you call that, faceted? Yeah, it's faceted on the side as well. So you can grab it on the side of the VFO knob and still spin it and your finger doesn't slip off. It's really, really, really cool. So if you're looking for a new VFO knob for your KX2, this is probably going to be the last one that you ever use. Check out the links in the description below to Mike KE8PTX and his printables, and print you one off. Download the STL, fire up the old 3D printer, and have some fun. Till next time, guys. 73.
Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you like this type of content, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to support me with creating more content like this, please consider becoming a Patreon member or a YouTube channel member. Those links are in the description below. 73.